Good morning, Fusion. Today, I want to talk about the one big advantage you have over the future of AI and why it is the only thing that's going to matter in the next 5 years. Here is the reality. AI can give your clients a lot of information, good information, market data, neighborhood analytics, comparable sales, negotiation strategy. It can process more information in 1 second than any agent can gather in a lifetime. And it's getting better every single day. If your value is based upon just giving people information, you might be in trouble. But here is what AI will never have. That's wisdom, judgment, and the ability to truly care. Information tells you what a home might be worth. Wisdom tells you whether now is the right time for your client to buy it. Information gives you the data. Judgment interprets what the data means for a specific person or family in a specific season of their life with specific fears and specific dreams. And caring, genuine, authentic caring about what is best for your client cannot be coded. It cannot be automated. It can be fake, but it must be real, and that only comes from human beings. Your clients will feel the difference between an agent who is going through the motions and just repeating AI's information, or one who is truly in their corner, who is applying wisdom and judgment and care. That is your advantage. This is one of the big things that AI cannot take from you if you employ it. And when I say you have to employ it, that means you actually have to employ it. You have to use it. You have to be the agent who shows up with that wisdom, with that judgment, and with a genuine love, and I actually mean love, for the people that you serve. Because the agents who are just conduits for information, there's not a lot of need for them. The agents who will thrive, in my opinion, in this new era are the ones their clients would call not just to buy or sell, but to help them decide. And deciding is hard. Be that agent that really loves on their clients and brings real value that others can't. Be the agent that you would hire yourself and bring that value for your clients and do it every single client, every single day. Hope you enjoyed this message, and let's go Fusion Partners.